we have a heating element out of an Kenmore electric dryer, and we're going to replace this element. As you can see right here where the element is physically burnt out due to a fan issue, we're going to restring a new element on this actual part here. So this is how we do this. We're going to start right here at the terminals. These terminals have little tabs right here. You got to bend the little tabs back, and this one's already bent back, and they actually slide out of the porcelain. Do not bend, break, or pry on the porcelain. It will break. And we're going to simply remove the element. The little porcelain tabs here that hold the element, want to be very gentle, not forceful at all. They will break. And make sure you pay attention on how the element comes out, because it has to go back the same exact way. And see, one little tab broke. Keep going. Two broke. Very gentle, taking it all out. Away with the old element. Now we're going to start back where we originally started. Now we're going to shoulder, start around the corner. Very important that there is air in between it. The element cannot touch the metal housing, only the ceramic holders is the only thing the element can physically touch. And make sure you start the element in the same direction that your old one came off, or everything won't line up. If your old element is not burned into too many pieces, it's best to take your new element and make it the same length as your old element that you take out. That way everything is evenly spaced. Go. Very important that the element physically is not touching the housing once again. If it touches the housing, it will burn your element right off, and you wasted all your time. Very important that there's clearance. Notice right here how the element's almost touching. Has to be clearance right there. You have to just kind of shape it and bend it out of the way. Cannot be touching each other, cannot be touching the housing, can only be touching the porcelain holders. And that's how we restring a element for a Kenmore electric dryer.